another day of play ball, and I'm gonna do I'm gonna do, let's say this, the new map. And low key, I kinda not like it because who makes the idea of blade ball was flooding, and I was glitching one of those pillars. Like, bro, like, this is like one of the worst ideas they actually made up with. I really don't like the update, but boys, it is time to get myself done because I have lost a lot of. I didn't even get a single win with this. Okay, and force field might be the key to my win. No. Oh, and here's one of the maps I got glitched on. And then you have to fight with the ball, bro. This is scary. Dude, I really don't like this game mode. Who thought of this game mode? I'm sorry, like, I really hate this. Like, who gave this idea? And I did hit the ball. This game just ended. Rush, please. Please rush. Clash! This is just normal play ball! God, bro. I don't like this game like that. I would literally grind in elementals and duos. In this one? No, never. I'm here. Oh, I hate this one, though. Oh, gosh. Great. Now, the person that's coming through my chain. Yo, like, I really hate this one. I did not go through this with ease last time. I was tortured. But it looks like I'm the highest. And then watch when I fall. See? You boys scared? Yeah, baby. Bro's running about it. Bro, stop running. Oh, jeez. Nah. I hate this one. Why? Oh my gosh, that really caused me to die. No! Everybody just activated their force field so they don't die. Dude. I don't know what activating Dude, nah, I'm done with this game mode. This game mode is actually trash. Never play this game mode. Actually, never play this game.